Follow the steps on how to create a speed blur effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the image. Press Ctrl J twice to duplicate. I will rename it. Then, select Subject. Refine details with the Quick Selection tool. Click Make Mask. Select this layer, hold Ctrl and click this thumbnail. Go to Select, Modify and Expand. Next go to Edit and select Content Aware Fill. Adjust. Even if the results look bad, this is not a problem. Turn on the layer object and Ctrl D to deselect. Convert this layer to a smart object. Next go to Filter, Blur Gallery and select Path Blur. Delete this arrow line. Draw a line and adjust it to the perspective direction. Increase the speed. Create another line. Click OK. Duplicate this layer. Change to Linear Dodge. Set the opacity. Select these 3 layers and group them. Here's the before and after. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.